Hello friends! Let's make a Christmas card. We need some paper, a pencil, scissors, watercolors, a toothbrush, a brush, some cotton buds, and some water. First, take a sheet of paper and fold it in half, like that. Take a pencil and draw a half of the Christmas tree, like that. Now, take the scissors and cut it out. Cut, cut, cut. All right, look, we've got a Christmas tree. Now we need watercolors. I have many colors. We need white, yellow, green. I have 3 greens, blue and brown. Now take a toothbrush and dip it into water. First, we want to take some yellow and spatter it on the paper, like that. Spatter it on. And then take some green and spatter it on. Spatter, spatter. Add some water. Choose light green and spatter it on. You can mix colors too. Mix blue with green and you will get a dark green. Spatter it on the paper. I like that. It is very easy and fun. Look, the Christmas tree is almost ready. Friends, if you make a mark, you can take a cotton bud and remove the mark. See? It's easy. Now we want to take a brush, mix green with brown, and paint a tree trunk, like that. You can add some more brown. You can remove the marks with a cotton bud, like that. Then take a blue color, mix it with water and paint the ground, like that. Add some more blue and paint the ground. Great! When the picture is dry, you can paint some ornaments on the tree. Take a cotton bud, choose a red color, and do the dots, like that. Dot, dot, dot. The ornaments are ready. Easy. Alright, we want to paint a star on top of the Christmas tree. Cut out a star. Take some yellow and spatter it on. This is fun. Great! You can add some snowflakes too. Just spatter some white on the ground, like that. What a beautiful Christmas card we have! I like it. Bye-bye, my friends. See you soon.